Okay, so the bobbin is ready, and we're gonna put it inside this compartment. We're gonna slide the door open, so I'm gonna slide this little button to the side and it opens up. Pull it out and make sure this time that it's going clockwise. So you gotta go like this, and if you see that it's turning and spinning clockwise, then you're doing the right thing. Just take it and pull it inside. Put it inside and make sure you hold on to the ending as well, to the thread ending. And you see this little arrow? You gotta put your thread ending inside this hole around your arrow. So you gotta go like this. Okay? So there you go. This is your bobbin going clockwise, and the ending is going through this hole and out. And just make sure that you leave like a little ending here. Okay, and you take your door back and slide it back in. And there you go. So your thread is basically in between those two little thingies. Okay, so now we're done. And this is going to be used in combination with the top thread. Okay, so now for the top, just pull it out because it was going through this round thingy. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. I'm going to put it again into the same stick in the center and counterclockwise, and I'm gonna take the thread ending, and this time it's gonna be different. It's not gonna go through this round thing. It's gonna go from the bottom to the top, bottom, top. So here's your thread, bottom, and into this little thingy, and going down. Now, as you can see, hold on to the ending, there's two lines. So you gotta take your thread and go through the right line and going down all the way until you see this little U sign. So you go down, around, and all the way up. And when you reach here, keep holding on to your thread, don't lose it like I did. Here's a little metal thing, so you gotta go from the right to the left so that it would go through it. It's like a hook. So you gotta go down again, the same line. And now that you're here, pull it a little bit so you get a longer thread. And over here, as you can see, there's a little metal, little hook on the side. You gotta take this and from the right side, get it in that little hook. So go like this. And inside. There you go. So now your thread is going through this line. So we put it from the right and we went all the way in. Okay? Now you still have your thread. Now you gotta put it through the hole of your little needle. Now some machines have this needle threader, or you could basically just pull it down and go like this. Okay, so pull it down and push it backwards. So we gotta put it inside here, and there's like a little hook that the needle threader will basically have, and it will take your thread and it will put it inside with like a little hoop. Just make it as big as you can because you want to pull it out. Here, I'll do it again. I'll show you the loop. So here you go. As you can see, there's like a little loop, and just pull it out, okay, from the inside here. And there you go, your needle is all set. Now see this little foot? Okay, it has a little opening, so basically you'll need to take the thread and put it inside that opening all the way to the back. Okay, so that's the last step for threading. So your needle's all set, going through the opening and going to the back. So I'll repeat the steps really quickly with you. I'll go over them. So this is the thread, counterclockwise, going through this little metal hook from the bottom, inside and out, all the way through this little line downwards. Make a U here, go all the way up, and then once you see this little metal, you gotta go all the way around it, so this way, and then back downwards all the way, and then through this little hole in here. So you gotta take your thread and pull it in from this side and in all the way. And then once you do that, you just thread your needle. You go, you put your thread into the needle hole and down through this opening and all the way to the back. So now you have your bobbin ready and your machine is all set. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I made it easier for you to thread a sewing machine.